Hi everybody. Today we have the box from Fashionsta for December. This box feels heavier than it normally does, so I really am interested to see what's in here. I haven't watched anybody else's videos. I haven't seen any spoilers, so I really don't have a clue what's in here. I was tempted to watch an unboxing, but I'll wait until after I see what it is. Okay, here it comes with the card with the products. And there's a nice little note on here. It says, "This year has been quite a ride. We sincerely hope this holiday season you indulge in all the reasons to smile and infuse gratitude in your moments. We're immensely grateful for each and every one of you that is part of our subscription family and hope this month's products bring you an added sprinkle of joy. See you beauties in 2021. Cheers." That's really sweet. Alright, so what we got in here? Ooh. Okay. I guess this is why it was so heavy. There's a huge mask from Uoma. It says New Moisture Intensive Mask. Enrich. So I don't know if this is for your hair or your face. Let's see. It's for your hair. It says Ultra Rich Hydrating Treatment transforms hair by restoring moisture to improve texture. Leaves hair feeling smoother, softer, and full of shine. And this is a big tube, 6.8 ounces. So that's nice to have. My hair is dry. I could use some moisture. And then we have another Earth Harbor product. This one is called Glow Juice Refining Enzyme Mask with red seaweed and fruit enzymes. This is a 2-ounce jar. Oh, it's purple. And kind of jelly-like. Interesting. It has a seal. Ooh. But it smells really nice, even through the seal. It smells like fruit. Okay, it says dive into glowing skin. This will be fun to try out. Okay, and then we have something. Oh, this is heavy too. It's from Becca. It says Himalayan body polish. Okay, how to use. Scoop out with dry and clean hands or spatula and massage on the skin and rinse with warm water. It's made with pink Himalayan salt, coconut oil, almond oil, shea butter, and vitamin E. A little bit of fragrance, clay. And here it is. Oh, it has a plastic seal going around the top. But it looks thick in a nice glass jar. So I'll leave this sealed for now until I'm ready to use it. So we have something for hair, face, and body. Now we have makeup. And the first makeup item is from Majestic. I guess that's how you pronounce it. I'm not sure. But these are oil absorbing blotting paper. 1 roll in a refillable case. And it says it's equivalent to 100 sheets. It's a triangular shape. And on this side it shows you how to refill the sheets when you've used them up. It says press these naturally derived blotting papers gently over face to mattify on the fly. Majestic comes in a continuous scroll within a compact case that lets you choose your perfect size blotting sheet every time. Oh, that's nice. I like that because some blotting sheets are really tiny and you have to pull them out over and over. But on the other side, if you only have a tiny little area that you want to blot, you know, you don't need a big blotting sheet. So that's perfect. It says our sustainable packaging also lets you refill your matte J stick with your favorite paper, whether it be matcha, rose, or charcoal. Refill sold separately. Alrighty. I am very curious about this one, so I have to open it. And there's the roll. It has some cutting teeth right here where you tear it off. And there's the paper in there. So it's a continuous roll that you pull out and tear off. That's really handy. I like this. Okay, and then the next makeup product is from Youngblood Mineral Cosmetics. It says Color Craze Matte Lip Crayon. And the shade is called Valley Girl. Oh, looks like it might be a rosy red pink. Let's see. And it is. Oh wow, that's a beautiful color. I like that. And on the box it says paraben free, talc free, and cruelty free. It has the little bunny on there. Okay, and then the final makeup product, final thing in the box, is from IBY Beauty. It's an eyeshadow palette called Sunday Brunch Palette. I like the case. We've gotten a few IBY palettes in subscription boxes before, and the formula is really nice. I like it. It's not powdery, and the color payoff is really nice in IBY palettes. In the IBY palettes that I received before. Come on. Oh, there we go. Alright. IBY stands for Inspired by You. That's nice. Let's see what this Sunday Brunch palette looks like. Here's the outer package. Oops. It has a mirror. The mirror says, "Relax and recharge, Sunday brunch." And these are the beautiful colors. Oh my goodness. I really like this palette. Wow. It is gorgeous. I like the layout of it too. Where you have your pinks over here in one row. And then you have your warm, like caramel brown colors right here. And then you have your greens and fall colors. And over here you have blue, yellow, and like a duochrome green over here. I think I'll swatch the greens on this hand and some of the pinks on the other. So let's see. Let's do the dark green. This like olive green. Shimmer, and this duochrome I'm interested in. Okay, let's see. There's the duochrome, and dark green matte, and the olive green shimmer. Oops. Those are nice. Oh yeah. And then let's do this pink roll right here. This sort of medium coral pink. And this bright vivid pink. And this shimmer looks kind of like a duochrome too. let's see. We got the coral, the dark coral. Oh wow, that is beautiful. And the light pinkish coral. Okay, this is a very nice palette. I know I'll enjoy using this one a lot. And like all of the Fashionsta boxes that I've gotten before, I'm very pleased. I'm never disappointed with the box. So we got the Sunday Brunch palette. And we got the Youngblood Mineral Cosmetics Color Craze Lip Crayon in the shade Valley Girl, which is really pretty, and it goes with these pink eyeshadows very well. So pretty. And then skincare, we got the Earth Harbor Glow Juice Refining Enzyme Mask, the jelly texture. We got the Becca Hawaiian Body Polish with pink Himalayan salt. And the Uoma New Moisture Intensive Mask for dry hair. And all of the products are vegan and cruelty free. And this box has a total retail value of $142. Alright, so that's everything for the box from Fashionsta. Thank you for watching. Bye.